Well, good morning from sagebrush country in the Badlands of North Dakota. This interesting landscape of geology, plants, and animals all intermixed together make you never sure what's over the next rise. Theodore Roosevelt loved this place. Let's go check it out and see what it's all about. Invite you to ride along. So cool to see the variety of vegetation in these washes. The shrubs, see chokecherry, some other things we'll look at, and a lot of juniper down in there, Rocky Mountain juniper. Just stopping for a minute to enjoy the view. A pretty typical one. The Badlands are overall a short grass prairie, which means there's a lot of grassland, but there's still a lot of shrub and tree, just like you're seeing here. Usually they're in the more wetter areas. And overall, there's a lot of oil and gas development. And so you'll see often infrastructure of some kind in the distance, like this oil pumping station. And this one has a natural gas flare, which you'll often see too, which is them burning off the extra natural gas. Sunrise in the Badlands. Enjoying the birds and the view on a Badlands morning. Here's a pretty typical Badlands vegetation overlook. There's lots of shrubs. You can see some sagebrush and buffalo berry, chokecherry, sumac, and then trees. There's a lot of Rocky Mountain juniper, cottonwood, some elms. And in the background's that short grass prairie out there. A lot of 10 to 12 inch grass, blue grama, needle and thread, little blue stem. You get about 11 or 12 inches of rain a year here, so that comes during the growing season though, the summer, so that encourages more grassland than shrubland. So you can see the aspect differences are driving where the more abundant vegetation grows. Sunflowers, and then prairie coneflowers. It looked a lot the same.